Hi everyone. Siem Reap is after the rain, and the Siem Reap River is no more losing stream after. But I want to show you how different the city with the big trees and many trees after the rains, how they look like. It's very lucky to have the first rain in the kingdom of Cambodia is from Siem Reap. The weather is getting hotter every day, so the rain fall down to make the environment, the atmosphere is better and better cooler. Oh, maybe because of the big rain. Like I say, at the time we are happy. Maybe there's somebody don't have the same, so that we have to try to balance ourselves to be so happy in case another people don't feel like that. That means I don't mean that we don't feel the most excited. We feel, but the thing that we need to take a look if somebody around us. Like I see on the rain, I really love it. But I also see somebody, so they have to hide the friend from the trees from somewhere. Oh, we are back to the scenes of the Siem Reap with the big trees after the rains. How they are look like? I guess they are very happy like me to have the first wash by the mother water, the mother. Life is amazing, and the nature is wonderful creation of the God Almighty. I am walking on the river road. Please keep on watching this video until you see how different the city after the rain. I just mean that when I saw you on the Bukapur and the tree line, Ajasva, and this rise, this lands, this trees is river road. They also beside the Siem Reap River as well, but a little bit different. A little bit different about the trees. I really love to have the green trees. And the charming green bridge over there. The local people was going give the name of the roads from the connecting between the bridge over the Siem Reap River. And Siem Reap is no more the losing stream after the rainy season coming. Have a good day.